Hello, agents. Spymaster Sly here. I know a lot of you do something called a test stream. Now, test streams are great for when we need to prepare new scenes or want to see how things look while live. However, there is an easy way to do this to save ourselves the embarrassment from those scuffed moments that we all have had before. So in OBS, there is this handy tool called the bandwidth test mode. So bandwidth test mode allows for you to test out your live settings without actually going live on Twitch. Especially for a VTuber like myself, it's important to see that while I'm running my avatar and all the subsequent applications required, my game can run smoothly. So let me show you how this works. So in OBS, you're going to go to settings. When you click that, it'll open up a little box here. You're going to find stream. And in stream, there's just a little checkbox that says enable bandwidth test mode. You're going to click that, press apply, then press OK. And basically your OBS is ready to stream without actually going live. So by using the bandwidth test mode, most of you are able to test your streaming connection, your dropped frames, game quality, and audio, all without technically being live on Twitch. So when I press start streaming, I get my little box that says your OBS or you have OBS configured in bandwidth test mode. This mode allows for network testing without your channel going live. Once you are done testing, you'll need to disable it in order for viewers to be able to see your streams. Do you want to continue? Yes. So I'm going to click that, and guess what? Basically everything here is as if I were live on Twitch without technically being live. I can check my drop frames, see my connection to my internet connection, see my CPU usage, see how many frames per second, see if everything runs smoothly. And I can even look at the screen as well to test out, how is my avatar looking? How is my game looking? Am I lagging at all? So it's a great thing for us to be aware of when we are going to be testing out our streams. I hope this video helps you and you can prepare for your next stream sans problème. And I'll see you all for our next mission briefing. Agent Spymaster out.